about the south component of C?
13.6.
And Allison, south component of D?
35.3.
35 what? These just add together because they're both going in the same direction. And if I'm smart enough to add those together, six, 9, 5, 3 is 8, 48.9 kilometers south. Now we got to draw the picture. There's a south, which is 48.9. I'm going to make that a pretty long arrow, and then a west, which is pretty skinny, or pretty small compared to that, 4.2, 48.9. Then the resultant is right here. So the answer is going to be pretty close to 48.9. Now figure out the angle. Anna, I'll pick on you once again. How would I figure out what this angle is? The fact that I've given these two sides, how do I figure out what that angle is? So, Ka, or Toa? Toa. So, tangent of the angle, put a little t on that, tangent of the angle that I'm trying to find is equal to opposite, 4.2 over 48.9. See if is everybody, because I'm not the brightest, sharpest tool in the shed this morning, apparently. Let's see, 4.2 kilometers west, 48.9 kilometers south. So we take this ratio, 4.2 over 48.9, that's got to be a pretty small number.
0.085.
Then the angle equals Logan, can you get the angle out of that?
I can't. She might be able to.
Well, if you can't, then we need to work on that. If you're finding a tangent of an angle and you have the tangent value, then what button on the calculator do you use to crank out the angle? And looking at the picture, that is believable that it's a pretty small angle like that.
I just confused on how I know which angle to use.
There's two ways that you could set this thing up. Envision it as west of south, or you could have imagined it as south of west. As long as you draw a picture and follow your picture, then that's it. Now, as far as the angle, you could choose this angle, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
But the tail of the resultant is up here. I think that's what your answer is. Wherever the tail of your resultant is, then it's going to be that angle. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of confusion if you try to find the angle between the two arrowheads. Now, Amaya, let's try